doesn't like cheese and potatoes? This recipe was trending a couple years back and I finally tried it out, loved it, and now I have to share it. For this recipe, I will be using 2 russet potatoes, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, a cup of shredded mozzarella, and a little bit of oil to fry. I've seen many similar recipes and all the ingredients measure pretty much the same. The only difference I noticed is some people use potato starch in place of flour. So if you have potato starch, you can definitely use that instead. So after your potatoes are peeled and sliced, go ahead and boil them until they're soft like this. Once they're soft, remove it from heat, drain all the water, and mash it up like mashed potatoes. The next thing we're gonna do is add our sugar, salt, and pepper. Mix that well, and then the next ingredient will be the flour. Now, once you add the flour, you'll notice that it'll stiffen a bit, and it seems a bit crumbly, but once you start mixing it well and folding it over and over, it'll form almost like a dough. It's gonna look like bread dough, but obviously it's gonna be much softer because it's made out of potato, so it's actually much easier to manage. So once I have a ball formed, I'm just gonna cut them equally into 8 parts, and I'm just using the pie method. So I flattened it out into like a pizza circle and then sliced them up and used each slice as 1 portion. Okay, now for the fun part. Grab 1 portion, make it into a little ball, and then flatten it into the middle of your palm, creating a pancake. Make a little pocket in the center and add a big pinch of shredded mozzarella cheese. As much as we love our cheese, you don't want to overstuff them. If you overstuff them, the cheese will start to ooze out while frying, and you definitely don't want that because it can become very messy. This recipe has very few ingredients, which I bet most of you already have in your kitchen. So let me know if you end up trying this out. While I continue to stuff the rest of the potatoes, I wanted to take this time to thank you for sticking around. If you've made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you've ever tried these. Also, I am open to any requests. If there's any of you who want to see me try a new recipe, throw that in the comments as well. Now that I have all my potato cheese pancakes ready, it's time to add some oil to your frying pan on medium heat. Make sure to leave a little space in between each pancake in case the cheese starts to ooze out. Fry them on both sides until golden brown. The end result should be nice and crispy on the outside with the center filled of melted stretchy cheese. You know I'm all about those easy recipes, and with just a few ingredients, you can whip up such a yummy, savory snack. For more easy recipes, check out my recipe playlist. I'm sure you can snag some ideas for the holiday season. Speaking of holidays, have you watched my Christmas shopping hauls? Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. I'll have it posted right here in this end screen along with my recipe playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!